the 47th book of the Bible. The 8th book in the New Testament.
Come on, man.
3rd of 21 epistles.
We back. Here we go.
The 4th of Paul's 13 books.
Yeah, this is a good one. This is one of my jams.
13 chapters, 257 words. In this video, we're talking about 2 Corinthians.
Let's do this.
Stay tuned to this channel and on this video as I do my best to go over the key points and highlights of the book of 2 Corinthians, and I'm going to do my best to do that in 2 minutes. What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to Faith Like That, a Christian ministry that is dedicated to helping you live a clean life for Christ and to live that life abundantly. We want you not just to have faith, but to have applied faith working in your life, the kind of faith that can move mountains. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to our channel, hit that bell icon so you know when the videos are coming out. We would also love to engage with you in our other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those great places. You can find us there as well. We would love to engage with you with the comments here. Please stay tuned to the end of the video. It won't be a long one, so you can get all this great information about the book of 2 Corinthians. So the book of 2 Corinthians, the key points and the highlights starting now. So Paul wrote 1 Corinthians to the Corinthian church. They received the letter and they made some adjustments, but then some other things happened. Mainly, some false teachers came in and tried to discredit Paul about who he was and about him being an apostle of Christ. So Paul writes 2 Corinthians for 2 reasons. Number 1, to kind of say thank you for making some adjustments and changing some of your behavior, because Paul did kind of come down on their head in 1 Corinthians. So he's writing in 2 Corinthians first to say, hey, thank you for receiving the letter. I know I came off a little bit harsh. I came in a little hot, but I just want to say thank you for making some adjustments and receiving that accountability and that encouragement I gave to you, however harsh it was. The second reason that Paul wrote to the Corinthian church was to kind of address those that were there that weren't as happy with them, address the words of the false teachers that were there, or even those that were still kind of living a rebellious life to the person who established the church, Paul, and what he represented and who he was. And it was never Paul's wish for him to be regarded as such this great person. He always said he was the chief servant of Jesus Christ. And his writing here was about him encouraging them to say, hey, I'm an apostle, and that's it. And whatever they said to you is what they said, and they have an agenda behind that. But I'm writing you to say, hey, look, I want you to be grown in Christ and have this great life in Christ and to mature as a young Christian should want to do. One other thing that I really noticed and that makes an impression on me about this book is that it holds the largest discussion in the New Testament about giving, about the principles of giving, about who should give to what, giving examples of giving and how it's taking place in the church. And if you want to know more about New Testament, New Dispensation, congregational church giving, you can look in 2 Corinthians. So as I wrap up this video, I encourage you to go back and read the whole book of 2 Corinthians. There's some great information there. I hit some key things in there, but there's a bunch of nuggets in there, a wealth of information about the church and about how we can live this Christian life and deal with some of the things that they were dealing with at the Corinthian church in this second letter, where they get a little bit more feedback from Paul. They get some congratulations, a pat on the back, and it's just some good stuff in there. So I encourage you to read that book of 2 Corinthians. Thank you for spending time with me today as we went through the book. I always enjoy it when you're here to learn more, and I love teaching it. Please engage with us more, connect with us in the comments, drop us some comments, hit that like button so we know what you do like and what you don't like so we can do more of the good stuff. And until next time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, and you have faith, be safe, and we'll see you soon.